Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Hairstyles. You know, summer is here and the age for every beautiful woman out there to go short as well. So I just want you guys to check out this beautiful short haircuts for women this summer season. And here in Women Hairstyles, we got you covered. So I would like you guys to please check out this beautiful short hairstyle that is fierce and is that edgy way for you to switch up your look, because this hairstyle is that beautiful short haircut that will make you look gorgeous. And one thing with the styles is that they are that beautiful short style for any beautiful black woman that's looking to take that leap of faith. I just love this beautiful short haircut because you can see how this hairstyle is that hairstyle for those natural beauties who are really tired of the same old routine, because this style definitely will make heads turn. And one thing about this haircut today is that is the haircut that will always amplifies your amazing features. And one thing where the style is that is a cut that's a great transition style. Like if you really want to try out short haircut but really don't want to commit to some kind of maybe the pixie cut, you know. So if you're really feeling like you really want to take those HR routes, this cut is perfect for you because it's one of the many variations that you can explore, like when it comes to short natural hairstyle. Another thing about this haircut on the screen is a fun way to you to have your cake, like when you can't decide which color to get, you know, because you can see how the haircut is that hairstyle that will suit all face shape and will suit everyone. So if you're really serious about making a change, just take this look and run with it, because one thing about the style is that kind of rounded beauty look that's amazing. And this style is perfect for beautiful black women out there who really want to go natural, or for those beautiful women out there who really want to start over. So just let you guys have all the styles we have. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys and see you in my next video.
I think I might go what do you I play? I think I might go what do you I I think I might go what do you I play?